The drowning of the lion is not without the consent of the gods. 2, the left hand is closer to the anus. Because you see, your reputation as a disciplined spiritualist stands taller than you. 2, your Igwe is my close associate in the state traditional council.
Igwe, I heed your call because of the respect my Igwe has for you. He sends his condolence over the death of your wife, the queen. All the queens in the palace are all mourning her.
It is terrible. May the gods help you to help us. But let me ask Okosis, have you heard of a thing like this before?
Isiala. Yes. Isiala. There was a terrible spirit terrorizing everyone in Isiala. He had the head of a lion, then from the waist down, that of a man. In fact, he terrorized all the women. He killed many of them.
But how did they deal with it?
The strongest Dibia was consulted, all to no avail, until they hit the voice of the oracle. Eventually, a 12-year-old boy killed it.
I'm happy to hear that. If the people of Isiala could deal with that kind of monster, I trust that you can do it.
I wish I could.
Sounds disgusting. How do you mean?
Igwe, you know me as a forthright man. I will not lie to you. I consulted all the oracles before embarking on this journey, and the answer is the same. Ikene. The one pointed at by Ezemo is the one the gods have chosen.
But he's a fool! Yes. A compound fool!
That is the opinion of man. But the gods have a different opinion. Ikene.
Okay. I'm ready. Let's go for our village meeting. Let's go now, okay?
That meeting is the least thing on my mind now.
No, Biko, we have to go. It's tradition. Let's know what is happening in the village. Please, let's go.
And I said I have so many things bothering me. And the village meeting and tradition or whatever is the least.
I don't understand though.
Now can you look at me? See, with all my money, my wealth, look at my house, my achievements, everything. I am still single. Don't you think it's about time I settle down and have my own family?
Now you're using style to chase me away. You want to tell me that you don't need me in your life anymore? That I should just go?
You are getting it all wrong. See, again, more than ever, I need you more to succeed in this mission.
You need me?
Yes. See, I'm not going to marry any of these city girls you see around me. No, not at all. I'm going to the village. I want to select my wife from among my people.
Aha! Personal and I'm separate. Since I came to this city, this is the best thing you have ever said.
You fool.
I'm telling you.
Hey!
See, you spent most of your time in the village. You know, all those times you were jumping around the bush. Me, I was here, struggling. But I need you now because you know our girls more. You can help me find a girl who is beautiful, good manner, you know, somebody who combines beauty with good character.
You see, that is why I'm your best friend. There's no problem. I know all the girls in the village. I know them. I know the ones who are beautiful. I know the ones who are ugly. I know the ones who don't have character at all. I know the ones who have good character. I know the ones who have bad character. Yes, no problem. I will recommend one girl for you. In fact, I will give you one girl. Special girl.
Thank you very much. Please don't get it twisted. You see, because you're now trying to give me a girl now does not take away the fact that you are my boy. I heard you saying, hey, that's why we are best friends. Yeah? No, you are still my boy. You're no probation.
Okay, Mbiko, good. I'm waiting for you outside. Let's go for village meeting.
Come here. My boy, my boy.
Hey!
Spend money.
Our house is fine. Our house is very fine. You see, even the Igwe's palace is not as beautiful as this Oke's house.
Yes, my husband's house is beautiful indeed. Hi, Chineke.
Oh, this is your husband I gave you. You will enjoy him. You will enjoy him. See, you will know that city life is much more easier than village life. Yes.
It's my husband's duty to give me easy life. Go to the car and get the food stuff from the boot. Gaba, gaba, gaba. Hey, huh? If you do not do it, who will do it for you? Do you want my husband to do it for you? Or Moabu Kichi? I should go and bring it for you. Or the other we ain't making issue.
For real, Oku separate.
I am not here for your old stories. Okay, get me, go and do it now.
See this girl?
Get me.
Who will make this?
Hey!
That's not what you do this thing here.
What is going on? What is going on?
Look at this girl I just gave you now.
Hold on.
I asked him to go and get the food stuff from the booth, nothing else.
So, why are you still wasting time? Go and get the things now. Go to the booth there. I think we have some food stuff there. Take it. Take key and go.
Hey.
I have a present for you.
What is it, honey?
You have a phone now.
This is lovely.
Yeah. More in the bedroom. More surprises in the bedroom.
Hey.
More surprises in the bedroom. Oh, yeah.
Onye ofu nika ga-agba Michael Jackson succeed, yo. Hey.
Custom! Wait, I don't think you're too long now. You don't want to kill you, you won't kill her. Yeah.
Wait, what's it happen? This one or two they look on herself like this. When I know herself before.
Okay.
Make una chill. I gonna want marry you.
Okay. Okay, Nabiba. Okay, Nabiba. What are you doing here? What am I? You, Nabiba, is this your house?
Hey.
Do you know what I came here to do?
Okay, so you come here to do dog monkey and pussy attack, okay?
Keep quiet now, what's your problem? Why you shout? Michino.
Go, you know like what you do. Go make another person come.
Okay. Don't get pushed. Hey!
Jesus Christ.
I beg una they make noise here. Go make him come inside.
Who the customer? Yes, customer. You know? Yes, the customer.
I know. This is a warehouse. You came here to supply parts to her. Okay.
The uncle deals on spare parts in Germany. You know,
Hey! We don't get that. Got on personal, autonomous. Okay, my God. No problem. Get you here. No problem.
Which Nkechi? Why will Nkechi here? Do you know what
Wait. This is my guy. Okay, no problem. Just give me money. Let me do my own.
What is your problem, Kene? Why are you talking like this? Do you know if I came here with money, I came to discuss something important. Must I carry money around everywhere I'm going? Is that how you do?
Say it.
I don't have money.
Nkechi.
Which Nkechi? Nkechi,
give me money now.
Oh, don't tell Nkechi. What are you going to tell her now?
Give Nkechi.
Stop now. Somebody is doing me.
Give me money, my guy. Give me money. Let me do my own dog monkey and pussy attack.
Give me money.
Hey.
Don't be just to go and drink.
Hey. Okay.
Stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. Take, go and drink. I know you like drinking.
Did you drink her own? I hope you didn't drink Hatino. I hope you didn't drink Hatino. This mouth used to eat Nkechi's food. I hope you didn't drink Hatino. I won't hear around here. Biko, you're gonna make it.
I beg, go. You know like what you do. Go make another person come.
But you don't know. Here they may be here. It's not nonsense. Something is spoiling. Oh, yeah, take now. It's okay. At least go and drink and be happy.
Okay, this is just for 1 year. I do 2 times, you know.
Yes.
1 year is equal to 1,000 naira. Give me your money.
What is new?
You're gonna make go. This is new.
Okay, now drink now. No.
Food. I need to eat after the years. No.
Are you mad?
After 2 years.
Don't you eat in the house? Come to the house and eat. If you drink finish, you come to the house and eat.
Because hey, can't all them separate. Yemego.
Eat now.
Hey!
I'm going now.
Transport.
Give him money, please.
Will I go back with job?
Okay, because I came here to talk small thing.
1,000.
500 is enough for you to.
5 give me. Transport Nkechi, madam of the house. Transport Nkechi, madam of the house.
Sorry. I pay 1,500 transport. It's okay now. How many bottles do you want to drink?
You are still making noise.
Sorry.
I beg, go. Customer, come inside.
Hello.
Do you know him too?
Nabagodi.
Go.
Talk. Go. Hey, okay. Come on, get out from here.
You don't want to find you.
Me, I will do you. Me, do you.
Come.
Hey, how matter you have been tampered with. And they go to the room. They go tampered with.
Hey! So you're going to see the room. I know what to do.
Yes, meet my brother and his wife.
Hi, I'm Vivian.
Vivi.
It's nice meeting a lovely couple like you.
Yes.
Honey, your brother and his wife do not appear sociable at all.
The thing is that on Wednesdays they don't like to smile. Wednesdays they don't laugh at all in this house. Welcome, let's go to my room.
See, Ekene, what is the meaning of this nonsense?
What is this now? The way you and Nkechi are together, me and Vivi are together like that too much now. Come, let's go to my room.
Hey! Do you know the implication of bringing in a prostitute into my matrimonial home? Oh yes!
Okay. What kind of talk is this now?
Does she look like one?
Which one is prostitute? What's this now?
Not.
Yeah, my guy, Biko. Which one is prostitute? Stop this kind of talk now. What kind of talk is this now? Huh? What's wrong with you?
Sorry, before I close my eyes and open them, take this thing out of my house now!
Watch your language, Mr. Man. Don't call me a thing. Is it because I'm in your house? Let me tell you something. If you come to my father's house, you will see the good old wealth. Rubbish. Nonsense. Excuse me.
Vivi.
Hey.
Ekene, I will not take this.
Don't what kind of talk is that? Do you think I picked her from the bush?
Of course.
Do you think she's a bushmeat? Do you think I picked her from the bush? What's wrong with you? Why would you talk to her like that? Don't you know she lives in the house? Yeah. Don't let me remind you.
Remind of what?
I will remind you of your dog, monkey, and pussy attack.
Meaning what?
Meaning I will remind you of your dog, monkey, and pussy attack here now.
Just leave.
Hey, you're still talking. I'll remind you of your
Okay now.
Let me go and bring my girl.
Don't bring her.
Let me bring my
No, don't bring her.
You say
don't bring her.
dog, monkey, and pussy attack.
Hold on now. What I'm saying is that
Dog, monkey, and pussy attack.
you bring to the house. What's the problem? Which kind of this one? If you look at the girl's eyes, it's obvious she's not sleep. It is very obvious.
Dog, monkey, pussycat.
Yes now. But you see, this is what you see. What is even dog, monkey, pussycat? What's that supposed to? Does it make any sense? It's gone mad.
One name why? It is obvious that the men cannot save us. The Igwe has consulted another powerful Dibia, and the message is still the same.
Cherekene one name why? Cherekene machoke. How do we expect Ekene to carry out this mission? How do we? How do we expect him?
It is very simple. As the women leader of this community, it is your responsibility to go and bring Ekene back home.
It's okay. I will go and bring him back.
Thank you.
For peace to reign in Umudim.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my sister. May the gods bless you.
And bless you too.
Thank you very much. It's night.
Isi kom efulefu nwa ekene efulefu isi kom bad boy ekene bad boy isi kom efulefu nwa ekene efulefu isi kom bad boy ekene bad boy isi kom efulefu
¿Qué canción no me?
They are very fine.
That's good.
We are all doing well.
That's good.
Well. Hey, where are you going?
Oh. He's there.
Atiawaka.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Everything is okay.
Everything is okay.
What is the matter that made you?
Come and sit down. Come and sit down again. I will tell you the words.
Let me sit here.
Okay. Ekene welcome. Oh, dogu okay. Hey, Aro makazikwagi. Chai. Okay, ina nwakwa.
Onwe ihe ọzọ anyị na-alụ. Ọsọ nni ka ọ na-eri, o ri buru onwe. Onye na-eri nni ka ọ gbagbuo.
Ọgba ka o si eri na village. Ọ ka o si eri, ọ na-eri ka.
Ide wewe fere nni. Mụ na gwa.
Welcome. As for the words, I will tell you. Everybody in the village is doing well.
Okay.
Your mother and your sister, they are fine.
That's what I want to hear.
But the problem is that Umodim is not well and fine.
Chai.
Can you imagine that the men in Umodim now fetch firewood and water?
Chai.
I know you must have heard about the death of Ohakem's daughter and the Igwe's wife.
But Auntie, is this the reason you came from the village to the city to tell us what we already know?
Ekene, calm down. Calm down first. Calm down. Listen.
Ekene, I will tell you even more.
Okay.
Yes. I have come to take you to the village to save us, the women of Omodim, from the evil spirit.
Me? Follow you?
Yes.
To Omodim to save the women? Tell all those evil people who invited that evil rapist spirit to solve and fight their evil problems by themselves. Let them fight their evil problems by themselves.
No. I think you're wrong here. See, if this involves threatening our women,
cool down, Biko, cool down, just cool down, please.
Okay, no problem.
Cool down. Even if I can save Omodum and their women, why should I do it? Why will I even try it?
Because you're from there.
Women of Omodum do not like me, including her. She's yes, this one here, she doesn't like me. Herself and the women, they mock me. This woman here and the women, they call me loafer. This woman here and the women, they call me useless. This woman here and the women, they call me stupid. The one that pains me most, is this one that is my friend who is in this house. I didn't call any name. That one is light in complexion, that has the same color with me. That one is the one tormenting my life currently now. So why will I save Modern women? For what?
Because no. See, even they're expecting me to bring you back to the village. Everybody in the village is expecting me to bring you back. How will I go back and tell them stories? See, even the Igwe.
You see that your Igwe that ordered my flogging, Tell him that I will never, ever in this life do anything for Omodin. I will not. Yes, that is what I said. I will look. I cannot help him use one nika to dance Michael Jackson. You know, I will never do it. Nonsense. Hey,
Isi come, ekene fulefu. Isi come, bad boy. Ekene bad boy. Isi come, efulefu. Ekene fulefu. Isi come, bad boy. Ekene bad boy. Isi come, efulefu. Ekene fulefu. Isi come, bad boy.
Ancestors sat on the throne of Omodim. They had challenges, but they were not insurmountable. Why is this problem proving so difficult? You
Igwe, there is a new and disturbing dimension to this issue.
Disturbing is an understatement.
Yes.
It is a threat to the existence of life. Igwe, if something is not quickly done, there will be no more corpses in this land. These women are prepared to do anything. They even decided to take their own lives. Yes.
Igwe, last night they resolved never to share our bed with us until that evil is arrested.
First, they want us to do their traditional works. But they do not want us to do our own reproductive works, Igwe. It is not done.
So this is why you came here this morning so incensed. Because the women are crossing their legs to chase out the evil.
Igwe, to be forewarned is to be forearmed. It will be the greatest disaster that ever befallen this community. Igwe,
when the women have decided to keep their legs crossed, the authority of the men will be affected. And when the authority of the men are affected, then the throne of the Igwe loses powers.
Nothing is threatening my throne except this evil. Yes, and I am behind the women. They should even seal it with Aradite. I declare Okwaradite in this kingdom. Yes. Be consecrated for once and seek the face of the gods. Look at them. Enyo. It's not a small thing. Very serious. You see, from the very day he took my wife, and the Igwe did nothing about it, I knew the man has gone soft. You see, a king is supposed to be strong and dynamic. A decision man, if you see him, you see decision. A man who can face challenges at any time.
Yeah, Okonkwo, the Ezenmo ought to be replaced by now. Because the oracle has departed from him.
Say it, do not shout it. Listen to me.
Yes.
You see, that is the advantage. The Igwe is too short-sighted that they cannot see this. Therefore, it's now our opportunity. It's now an opportunity for us to take a positive step. Yes. We are now holding our collective destinies in our hands. So we should now go and find solution.
Yeah. If Igwe hears this, what will happen?
Before you will hear it, we have already got a permanent solution to this issue.
I think I should.
And we shall be the heroes.
I think I should.
Yes, we shall be the heroes of this community. By then, it's too late for him to react.
You are correct.
That is it. Oh.
That
is it.
You are a wonderful man.
That is it.
No. Look at it. It is obvious you people came from a very far distance with a hard task. But the oracle says, what you seek lives within you.
But wise one, if what we seek is within us, why have we not been able to conquer it?
Ade brozo wo keze brozo wine. Tonton gengi mazo mara wonugu.
Okay.
Nekuni ya. Ekurumie. Jide cho baba ji ihe. Jewere ma brozi. Oyin na ebo no ha na agu ya ojoka. Doubts. Arabanoka. Every one of you doubts the words of your Ezemo, which he proclaims through his oracle. But unlike men, the gods do not make their choices by physical appearances.
You see, I wanted to say that the choices of the gods has been made is simply impossible.
Serious mistakes from their side.
Iditi koriko, iditi koriko, abarishika.
Are you the first son of your father?
Yes. Eh? Didn't I tell you? I told you, he will see everything. He sees everything.
With men, it is impossible. But with the gods, nothing shall be impossible.
That is why we have come such a distance. We need urgent spiritual intervention at once. The gods must act at once.
Okonkwo, the gods have acted. Follow the ways of Yezemo. He has spoken his last through his oracle.
If you say we need another opinion, a third one, I will not disagree with you. Hakim,
Igwe,
I have spent sleepless nights wondering how we can get Ekene to do what the gods say.
Igwe, I've heard of Okoro Okanga, who sits on the 6 rivers and lives in the midst of 6 trees. Igwe, they say his divinations are the mind of the gods.
Then get him. If he confirms the boy, then we'll find a way to make him do the will of the gods. Okonkwo, Your Majesty, and Ugumba, you will accompany Hakim to see this Okoro Okanga. Igwe, the truth is that there will be no need for this mission. Okonkwo, Your Majesty, there will be no need for this mission. That there is no need for a mission I ordered.
Igwe,
Hooray!
when Ohakim's daughter and the new bride were taken, you still reposed confidence on the Ezemo. It was Okonkwo and I who took the initiative to have another opinion, Igwe.
Hooray! So you went to consult on behalf of Umudim without my knowledge and permission? Your Majesty, you don't expect us as your able chiefs to just sit down and fold our hands and watch the women folk of this kingdom go into extinction. Huh? We did what we did out of desperation.
That is all.
We were pressed to the wall. The entire kingdom, in fact, was almost pressed to the wall. You have to move as your able chiefs.
Oh. And you consulted Okoro Okanga?
Yes, we did.
Igwe, his divination was forthright. He pointed in the same direction. That same boy, Ekene.
Things are happening in my kingdom.
Igwe, Kanya Adena, Anele. And I have somebody a jog. You are equal to the task. We must move ahead.
We must move forward. We must move forward. Look for this Ekene or whatever he calls himself. Wherever he is, tie him up and bundle him to this village. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. We will do it. We will do it.
Now be this man, where can they not cause social bamba?
Shut up, Oga. Wetin happen?
Leave me. Oga, you, okay. Oga manager, you know me now. They come here every time. So, you. Okay. Now 1,000 naira I dey do by you for here. Then sometimes then they you. Okay. Sometimes then they pity me. They give me 500 naira per you. Wait, you know they give 500 naira per you. You know they give 500 naira per you.
Shut up,
Today I can't say make I come can't do my normal you. And then I come. I do one you for down. I go up. I do one you for up. Nine. This greedy one. This blue one here. Come say I own you na 2,000 naira. Like say I own you na black market.
You know the show upstairs and downstairs no be the same price.
Your shower money don't increase. Your something increase.
Increase.
Something increase. I don't say your own increase. Yes, no be the same size.
Oga, listen, calm down. Ma tell you, all these Ashawo girls, all of them see as they be. They don't send you. Now you send yourself. But I won't make them easy for you as a fine boy. Yeah? Give me your phone.
Bring your phone.
Give me your phone. If I leave all these girls here, they go rugged you. Collect your pants. Even your boxers inside. Carry on, you go walk out like this, go house. No go wear anything. Just give me your phone. I won't save you so.
But all this in why you have here, now you want to do a show go free, eh? No go happen.
Shut up! Come on, shut up! You! Which phone you use?
No, see now. Nokia lantern. Now it. Oga, give my property now.
Oga, see, ma tell you. You know say everything for this life get levels. As you don't get connect, and only collect you get. So ma just leave you. Oh yeah, come they go. Tomorrow they go come. I'll give you the phone for my office.
Give my Nkechi, what is it now? Let me watch my ball now.
Ekene, I have no business with this your ball. And for your own information, stop calling me Nkechi in this house. I am the madam of this house.
Nkechi? Wait. Nkechi, have you forgotten yourself?
I said this is the last time you should address me as Nkechi in this house. Call me madam. I am the madam of this house. Call me madam.
Madam of this house, please let me watch this ball. This is the only time to watch ball. This is the only time this match is going on. Biko.
Ekene, I said I have no business with this your ball. I have no business with this.
Madam of this house. Look at me, oh. No, look at me, oh. It's Ekene, oh. It's Ekene you played with in the village, oh. Ekene you did everything with in the village, oh. Let me watch my ball now.
That was then. I thought and acted like a village girl then. Now I am a city girl. I am married to a city man. So I have grown up. So you, Ekene, grow up.
Biko, madam of this house. Madam of this house. Madam of this house. Please, I don't have TV in my room. You have TV in your room. Go to your room and watch what you want to watch. Let me watch this my ball now.
I don't know. You don't have TV in your room because you're still squatting in my husband's house. You're still doing boy here.
Yeah? Engage. Madam of this house. I'm separate too. What is this now? Wonder shall never end though.
Look at you.
Wonders will never end. Eh? Because the village virgin Ekene has become a dog in the city, following girls up and down.
Let me watch my ball, though. Let.
Come on, watch it. Watch it. Delay ya lebo away. Lebo ya.
Yeah. Is this real or separate dream? Huh? Yeah, I'm not separate. I couldn't get you. Yeah.
My baby is unnaturally quiet this morning. I hope all is well. Or do you need to see a doctor?
Honey, I am fine. But I need to see the doctor.
Okay, that's fine. I can call him up so you go and see him and have a comprehensive checkup.
Honey, just only one checkup. Only one checkup. That's what I need. Yeah.
Why one checkup?
Honey, come and sit down. Pregnant.
Is a lie. A what? No. I need to start kissing the boy now, okay?
How did you know it's the boy?
Of course I know. I am the person that put it there.
Oh, yeah?
You forgotten I was really very hard. What?
Oh, me fat nebe, oh, well, sense. Yeah, sepa, benine kona koeli. So come abuni. Kasi ame, o mame. Kasi ame na koneme. So benine, kene kaye me, kene. Oh, boy, bad boy, ekene bad boy. Isi kom, efule fumwa. Ekene fulefu. Isi kom,
Ekene.
Don't you have eyes? Are you not seeing that I'm seeing you? Are your eyes not telling you I'm seeing you?
So, you can't greet me, eh?
Huh? Yeah? Nkechi, it's again. No, it's again. Oku asiki don't know put that for real. Eh? Did this thing come out from your mouth for real or put that no separate? It came out from your mouth separate. Am I not older than you?
Ekene, that was in the village. That was then. The meaning of age in the village is different from the meaning of age in the city. Akwena no?
Bia. Nkechi.
Biko baka.
Kamuri no mistake. Madam of the house. You see this madam of the house, I have been calling you in this house. Now, it's just for peace to reign, no. But you see this particular one, I don't agree. I will never do it. You understand? I will never ever do it.
You are talking as if you have a choice.
Why would I have a choice?
What is going on here? What is happening? Shut up! Shut down your stupid mouth! Before I land you a dirty slap.
Okay.
Oh, shut up! Don't utter a word. My wife is right. Oh, yes. There's a very big difference between the age in the stupid village and the age in the city. This is a civilized world, Mr. Man.
Okay, are you listening to yourself? No, can you just hear yourself out?
No, I should be asking you, are you reasoning well? Like, are you reasoning like a human being? See, my wife and I are the same. Okay? We are two become one. So the kind of respect you accord to me is the same respect you should accord to her. She is in charge.
Okay? See, I know tradition and I know you know tradition. I will only take orders from you because I am in this house and you built this house. You understand? I can take orders from you sometimes, just because this is your house. But you see, taking orders from a woman, I can never.
Oh, shut up your mouth before you land yourself a dirty slap. Are you stupid? And let me warn you, you're not just taking order from me because you are under my roof, because you're in my house, but because I'm your boss. What's wrong with you? Hey, shh! I don't want to hear anything from your mouth again. try me. I mean, Sagala now, Yala.
Sweetheart.
My love.
Ha! Papa, okay. Papa, okay. Sorry. It is because of your head, okay, used for rituals and built this house. That is why he has mouth to insult me. Papa, okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Papa, okay. Sorry, sir. I called for this meeting so that two of you can hear me out, and then I will hear you people out, because I don't understand what is going on. Okay, you and I have been close since when we were small. We killed lizards together, killed chameleons together, killed rats together. Huh? Nkechi, you are my girl.
Hey, point of correction. My wife is not your girl. Understand that?
Honey,
Yeah.
that is the problem with him. Always digging up the past. Ekene, is this why you have called this meeting this morning? To tell us old stories? Eh? What the kwegu?
Have I done a bad thing? No, have I done a bad thing to call two of you so that...
Another point of correction. My wife and I are not two. We are one. See, Ekene, I know where you're heading. But trust me, it's a sheer waste of time. You must understand your position in this house and act accordingly.
Exactly.
I cannot do more than that for you.
But remember, I am the one who arranged this marriage, and I should be treated with respect.
I will keep correcting you. Yes, I need to clear you very well today. You never arranged my marriage. Yes, I only asked for your suggestion, which you gave. I met Nkechi, we fell in love, and the rest is history.
Yes.
And if you ask me, I'll simply tell you our marriage was arranged in heaven.
Heaven.
Isn't it?
Yes, darling.
What happened to you people now? What happened? What happened to you?
Ekene, we people have grown up.
Simple.
Ekene, grow up. A grown-up man thinks of owning his own house and marrying his own beloved wife. A grown-up man does not hang around a marriage made in heaven. Or do you want to destroy it?
How can I destroy something I arranged myself? Something I built myself?
Okay, you have options. It's either you stay here and take instructions, or you pack your bag and return to the village where you belong.
Exactly.
Okay. Nkechi. Papa, okay, sorry, sir.
Mama Ekene, sorry, ma.
Mama Ekene, sorry. In fact, we should even be crying for the woman because after the money we back Honey,
I'm no longer comfortable with the way you're treating my best friend. Ekene is my best friend now.
Oh, no. You have to be, honestly. That's the only way you can make this fool understand that you're no more the village in Nkechi he used to know. Your status have changed. You're my wife now.
But honey, there are better ways to make him understand, not this way.
Sweetheart, I told you this thing from the village. I told you. The only way to deal with this guy is to be harsh on him. Oh yes, it's for his own good, so he can grow up. And to keep the dignity and respect of our marriage. Okay? It's alright, smile. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. My lord. Don't worry.
Hey. You
Oh. How did you go? I see everything went well.
Everything well, beyond well.
So where's the money?
The gods are blessing us. Oh, I'm telling you, doubling our money. Our money is doubled now.
The money is supposed to be 300,000 now.
300,000, yes. The customer paid me the 300,000. But you see, on my way here, I just saw one man that the gods just sent. Hi! God of favor just sent that man. And the man just saw me. He said, do you have money? I said, yes. Then he now said, I can double it for you. I said, It's a lie. He said, give me what you have there. And I give him 1,000 naira. He now doubled the 1,000 naira. What did he use? He used one chemical like that. Doubled the 1,000 naira. I looked at him. I gave him another 1,000 naira. My own, he now doubled it. I said, I now gave him your own to see if my luck and your own are the same. Give me your own. He now doubled it. I said, no. And I gave him the whole 300,000 for him to double everything. So as I'm talking to you right now, the man is doubling everything. He said I should go and bring 3,000 naira for the chemical. So that's what I came here to do. So you won't call me a wicked person, no? I said I should come and tell you now.
It's a clean.
All I'm saying now is I'm getting my 3,000 naira, my own money. And when this man doubles this money, inside the 300,000, I'm only giving you 100,000 naira there because I'm the person who paid for the chemical with my own 3,000 naira, my own money. You understand? So if you have any money, if you want to be beneficial to yourself, bring money. Tell Nkichi to shut up! You've been duped! You said what kind of dupe? What are you talking about? Something I saw with my eyes. Somebody that used chemical to wash something for me. You're telling me. Are you mad?
What would you not do in this house? What would you not do in this house? Why did you walk away?
Because I couldn't stand that imbecile anymore.
It's not true. This is the third time now. Both of you are acting strange. What's up about that monkey, pussycat, dog? What's up?
You see, baby, that's what I was telling you. That guy was just trying to remind me of our closeness way back in the village, you know. Pussycats, dog, monkeys, they used to be our favorite pets. You know, I remember how we used to run around inside the bush hunting for monkeys, you know. It used to be fun. That's exactly what she was trying to remind me.
Listen, okay? If that guy is blackmailing you, I can handle him. You know, I vow that anything at all that you did to me, I will forgive you.
So then relax. You see, I have not done anything in this life that will warrant anybody blackmailing me. Okay? I just have a soft spot for that food. That's it.
You sure?
Don't tell me. Oh, come on. It's See, let me tell you something. I've married you. And I love you. And nothing will ever change it. Okay?
Okay.
So relax. Smile for me. Come on, see.
Madam of the house. Madam, give me camera. Nkechi, what's this now?
What is what?
I know this thing looks like a goosey to you. It looks like a goosey to you. But why will you give me a goosey without fish or meat?
Hey! Wait, Ekene. Did you give me any meat? Or did you give me money to buy meat and cook soup for you? Did you?
Yeah. I'm separate too.
Come, wait back on.
See, I'll pour this on you. I'll pour this on. I will get here. Have you forgotten how many times in the village I gave you my bush meat? Huh? You're not coming. How many times I gave your mother bush meat? How many times I gave your father bush meat? You're not here giving me soup without fish or meat.
That was in the village. Now we are in the city. So I, Nkechi, will do anything at all I want to do with you.
I'll put this on you.
What is going on? What is going on here? Stop this nonsense. We cannot have two captains in one ship in this house. What's all this rubbish?
The rubbish is that why would she give me soup without...
What is your problem? Why is that every time you are fighting for food? Food in the morning, food in the afternoon, food at night.
Why would she give me soup without meat or fish? Is it the food that made you grow like this? Is it food that made her front to be moving ahead of her and her back to be running away from her? Okay. Is it food?
Oh, is that why you want to eat so you can grow tall like this house and your front will be run faster than your body and back with this charge?
No, that's her own portion. It's not my portion. What's that? Biko, what do you mean by that? You should give me meat or fish, Biko. What's this?
Who that lady here? Who is that?
You see, now which of them give you belly here? Talk now! Now which of them? This person.
Oh! Diego. Odi eni oto. Oto nwa n'ime. Odi eni efe. Oto nwa n'ime. Odi eni aba na oto ejima.
Talk. How you want to my pikin? Una beg me yesterday, now you don't come. Talk as you go take to am.
Mama Risikat, nothing spoil, nothing spoil. I be good person. I know the night say na me put the something inside your pikin, no problem. But for now, forget about that my brother and his wife. Me, I be one man standing alone now. As you see, so na village I dey go. Na village I dey go. So as I admit say na me don't do the damage for Risikat. Make Risikat arrange herself. Follow me, they go village.
Village?
I lie.
Igbo? You don't craze finish. You don't craze finish. Oh, you won't carry my pikin go Igbo village, make una cook and chop. That your plan. No go work at all.
Go cook and chop.
Oh yeah, leave this place. Oh yeah, come out. Come out. Come out. Come out here. You won't carry my pikin go Igbo. So I think I'll cook for the food shop. That your plan. No go work. It will not work.
So, Ugumba, this is wonderful. Are you sure this is not the heaven they are talking about?
You see what I'm saying? It's wonderful. It's beautiful.
Let me tell you, because we are not kind to our generation at all. Our generation was a blind generation. Look at it. We didn't have the kind of opportunity our children have now. Hey!
Okonkwo, that is not true. That is not true. Some persons or some people that left the village, came to the city, became rich.
Hey! If you're not a I will call you. Wait first. Okay, woman. Because one is your. What do you people do in the city that generate the kind of money you use in building this heaven on earth?
I'm telling you, just buying and selling, struggling.
Struggling? Aye.
It's okay. Well done, my son. We are proud of you.
Thank you. Please, may I ask you, to what do I owe this August visit? I hope all is well.
My son. Kakaraka. My son, like you asked, there is no need lying to you. All is not well. What I won't know, but all is not well. And there is fire on the mountain in the village right now, as we are talking. So it has become imperative for us to take Ekene back to the village. By all means.
So you have to help us. Because we know it very well that Ekene is in your custody. And the Igwe has asked us to make sure that you bring Ekene back to the village.
My elders, I would say you may have wasted your time. Oh yes. Because Ekene left this city this morning for the village.
Huh?
And I believe by the time you guys arrived here, he would have arrived in the village too. So, well, not to worry. My house is big enough to accommodate you people. So, my wife will take care of you very well. Eh? Tomorrow you continue your journey back to the village. Do you care for anything like food? You must be hungry.
We're okay. One after the other. I'm an evil day. We have seen with our eyes. Please. What's up propelling this boy?
Kicking it right now in
the village. Hey! Mba.
Sense, yeah, sepa, benile kona koeli, so koma bunni, kasi ame amame, kasi ame na koleme, so benile, kene kaye me, abuwe
Tension! At ease.
Now, give them this thing. Let them go home now. What is all this?
Biko, please. Scouts on parade for national peace. Thank you. We.
Wa.
We.
Wa, wa, wa.
Attention! At ease. Good. Attention! America, this is for you. Now march home. Hey! 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 Chidi. For you. March home. Hey! 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 Daniel. For you. Hey! Dig it up! Hey! Bartholomew. This is your size. Hey! Hey! Dig it up! Hey! 6 inches above the ground! Hey! Jumbo. Shen! By the left! Time! Hey! Hey! Dig it up! Hey! 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 Yes, good. My boys are okay. My boys are still okay. About 10!
Why are you laughing? Okwa biscuita, ayatia, ngwa about turn. Hep hey! Hep hey! Hep hey! Hep hey! We.
You people are bloody civilians. So please.
Bianna, how did you even cope with the city with your wa? Were you able to practice it?
Don't mind Oke and Nkechi. They were too afraid of me. They felt if I should raise new scouts, I'll be raising terrorists to take over their home.
Now wow, man, I can't go quite. First of all, I thank the gods. Then secondly, I thank you, okay, for taking you to the city. You know what the city has done for you in 3 months? We have not been able to achieve in years.
Yes, brother, I know that you're going to make us proud now that you're back. And please, promise us that you return to the city when you've done it.
Done what?
After you must have defeated the evil spirits now. Is that not why you're back? You know, the Igwe sent for you after you walked out on Amaka.
Brother, that wasn't fair at all, though. You shouldn't have done that to Auntie Amaka.
I don't know what you people are talking about, though. I don't know what you people are talking about. And I did not receive any message from the Igwe. You hear me? I am tired of the city. I am back to this village for good. And I'm not here to fight any evil rapist spirit.
Biko, the whole village, everyone is looking up to you.
Why should they look up to me that I'm down here? Instead of looking up to the gods that are up there.
You're the chosen one.
Please, Biko, chosen for what? Can I buy Michael Jackson? Biko, please.
Please, This is the only great thing you can do for our village. Do not turn us down.
And I tell you, turn down that your mouth and shut up. Nonsense. I hope you don't have anything of yours in my room.
Mba.
Scoutmaster wants to rest. Please. Ahua. Over and out.
You're finer than before.
Thank you.
See how beautiful you are. Yeah. Kenika, I hope all these nonsense village boys haven't tampered with this your fine boy.
No, I've been waiting for you. Yes.
You're waiting for me?
Yes.
Me, I've been waiting for you too, you know?
You've changed.
Everything has changed. Everything has changed. No, life has changed. You too, you have changed. And this your lapse has changed.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
What's your problem? What do you...
Stop!
Stop this. What's your problem?
What do you... Wait!
What do you want?
Can you let
Be
me change?
yourself. What's your problem?
No, stop!
Come on, relax yourself. What's your problem? You said you have been waiting for me.
Yes, but...
Like you sent us. We went, we saw, but unfortunately, we could not conquer. Because we were told that Ekene left the same day we arrived.
Igwe. Okechukwu even told us that Ekene is right here in the village.
Hey, so Ekene is in Umudim, and nobody told me. Hey, Guard!
Your Highness.
Go and get Ekene here immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
I have a feeling that boy, he behaves in mysterious ways. He acts strange. What do you call Ekene, I don't even know why the gods chose you of all people in this Umudim to carry out this all-important task. I don't understand the minds of the gods, but you don't have a choice.
Igwe, I agree with one side of your sentence, but the other side I don't agree.
At what point do you agree? And at what point do you disagree? Efulefu, Eputos, Dowibe.
Okay. I agree with the part where you said you don't know why the gods chose me. But you see that side where you said we don't have a choice. Me, I have a choice. So.
And what is your choice? What is your choice?
See why all of you should just enter one bus and travel and go and meet your gods and ask them why they are confused. The way all of you are confused now, asking me, what's your choice? What's your choice? What's your choice?
Shut up there. May the gods strike your mouth. How dare you open your mouth in the place of the king and talk to him like that? Look, my king, I don't know why the gods of this kingdom will leave our destiny in the hands of an idiot. Why must this nincompoop, this riffraff be chosen instead of others? How can the god choose somebody who will even curse them? He's even cursing the gods. Are you not hearing it? Ekene, is it not enough that this evil has decimated our women? You still want to go and bring more wrath of the gods upon us? With this your foolish mouth, Ekene?
Igwe, Ichokonkwo, you people are calling your expected hero nincompoop, idiot, riffraff, foolish.
Hear me now, everybody. Igwe, hear me now. My fellow elders, hear me now. Hear me. This boy will bring more reproach to this kingdom. He will bring more curse on us if we don't do anything about it. This riffraff, this nincompoop, this demagogue, this one will have nothing good for us. Let me tell you something. If the ghosts were not sleeping, it was either by mistake. The ghost of Umudim may have made mistake appointing Ekene for this mission. This is the last best of human beings.
Ichiokonkwo, you are still calling the gods with style, idiot, nonentity, nincompoop, fallacy, below. The gods will come the night and flog you worse than the way I was flogged in this village. Oh, let me tell you now. Okay.
Your mouth is cursed. I said your mouth is cursed. Look at this nonentity. Elders, are we sure that this boy is truly a son of this soil?
Me too, I'm not even sure. I'm not sure.
Guys, bring me there some more.
Better, with this utterances,
I want to believe that the gods will change their minds. Yes.
They will change. I'm doing a human being. Not a nuisance.
The gods are not blind.
Igwe, Ndiche, with these few points of mine, I hope I have convinced you and not confused you that I have scout meeting. We were shun! Side turn! Attention! Dig it up! I bought night! Dig it!
This boy's continuous existence in this kingdom is a cause. Functional cause. Let's say more cause. No, let's say more cause.
We! Wow! My princess! Hey! Princess! You are still beautiful, oh. You know, just the same way I left you before I left for the city. You know, now I don't know sweet, thick flavor. Flavor, thick, sweet.
Ekene, there is something more important than beauty right now.
Hey, what is it now? Tell me, you know there's nothing I cannot do for you, my beauty.
I heard what transpired in the palace.
What? Nanka Tom showdown. You mean those old men? Forget them. Forget. See, those old men don't know that. Oye yo funika adia about Michael Jackson, you know? I'm telling you, the gods have confused all of them because they are evil.
Are you saying my father is evil?
Okay, Tom confusion. No. How can evil give birth to beauty? It's not possible now. But meanwhile, princess, as I'm seeing you now, my heart is just beating fast, like that, you know?
You don't seem to realize the trouble in Umudim. The village is becoming a ghost town for the women. We need you, Ekene. I need you.
Hey! You need me? Hey! Carton personal sweet. You need me? Princess, I need you too. I need you. Seriously. I need you.
Me?
Princess, see, for you, I'm ready to face that rapist spirit and tell it that it should never ever near you here. No, never near you here. Or even try and rape any woman in this village. But the spirit must go ahead and rape all the chiefs and elders in council in this village, including the Igwe.
My father.
Okay, it will forget about your father. The spirit will not rape your father, but it must rape all the chiefs and elders in council. Yes.
Ekene, no one takes you serious. Just try and do something that will make them change their mindsets about you for once.
I got Tosige right in your hands, you know? Simple. It was right in your hands. It's just for you to marry me because I'm ready for you, you know?
Ekene, then destroy the evil.
Why did it take you so long?
I had pressing issues and I was trying to talk to the gods.
But this is a very unusual situation, a pathetic one. Speak to the gods. Tell them this fool, this only Beribe, this imbecile cannot undertake this mission. He was here insulting the gods before our very presence. Yes. Surely the gods will punish him for his foul mouth. Igwe, I have served the gods all my life, like my father did. I have never heard in any occasion that the gods changed their minds. And the gods know exactly what to do. We do not fight their battles. Rather, they fight our battles for us.
But Ezemo, the gods are certainly not fighting in this battle. Yes, they are in deep slumber. I repeat, they are in deep slumber.
And this is the time that we need them most. Yeah, Ezemo. What have we done that made the gods to turn their backs on us?
Ugumba, the gods are not like men that are blinded by their anger. We all cannot compare our minds with the minds of the gods. But this time, the minds of the gods seem cruel to Umude. Why is it so, Ezemo? I don't know. Then the oracle of the gods must have departed from you.
Ezemo.
No.
Ofiana song kata. Ye pukwanero.
Nana girl.
Can I go back?
Back, you know.
Welcome.
My God. I'm back.
Can I wait?
What?
This city you went to has really changed you.
Yes, now. City is foreign, you know. Foreign. Foreign in you.
Sit down first. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Nah, baby.
Can I wait? What's up with Nkechi and her husband?
It could happen down. See, when you Funika cannot Michael Jackson, you know? I'm telling you, up and down, leave those people. There. Well, tick.
Wait, are you okay?
Look, hugging with why you know. Cheregini, I come out of the autonomous community. What's wrong with you? Anyway, where's your mother?
She has gone to the farm.
Hey, Carton technical. Come, I brought something for you.
Come to here. What did you do?
Confess. Talk too much. Come.
Can I wait?
I'm telling you. Somebody who wears one nigga cannot. Michael Jackson come jack you up. Confess.
Where are you going to?
Come inside. Let me give you what I brought for you, you know. Hey! Now, baby. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
If I am a faithful messenger, let it be known. But if I have done your will as your faithful servant, then speak, because my integrity is being questioned. But much more than that, your authority has been questioned too.
Ezemo, we are not questioning the authority of the gods. We are questioning the silence of the gods.
We are saying the same thing. It is in their authority and power to speak when they want to speak. And that is the very bottom of the whole thing. Ezemo. Obu, no isi amara agbo. Are you still the voice of the gods? Or have you defied yourself before them? You have had them. Have I defied myself? Or have I not done what I am supposed to do as your servant?
Ezemo, glory has departed from Umudin. Tell the gods that the men have been so reduced to mere firewood fetchers and castrated eunuchs. Tell them that the women have turned their hearts against the men. Tell them, Ezemo, tell them.
The gods are wise. The gods are wise.
You know.
Ekene, is this you?
It is I, you know. I Jackson you fantastically.
Ekene, Diego. Hey, you are spoilt.
No, I'm not spoiled though. I just acquired new revolutionary latest policies, attack, ammunition of bedroom, pussy, revival. Ghana to foreign, not to technical at the same time, simultaneously. Yes.
Ekene.
Don't worry, huh? See, when your mother goes out, you come to my house, tomorrow. This one I gave you is just my beta. It's just my beta, you know. Later, if you come to my house, I'll give you my betest, you know.
Ekene, what's this one?
That is city touch after pussy attack, you know. Alright, over and out. Don't tamper with my something because I want you to keep it in personal, tight, over and out. Because I'm hungry, go and get me food.
Is everything about food? The village is in trouble and you're here talking about food.
Mama, what's my business if this village is in trouble? But tell me, what's my business? How does that make Gary and Akbu twin brothers? Am I the cause of their trouble?
Everybody knows you've been chosen as the one to protect this village. By the way, I heard how you insulted the Igwe and his chief in council and abused the gods.
If I insulted the Igwe and his council of chiefs, yes, they deserve it because they are evil. Yes. But if I truly insulted the gods and the gods are angry, why haven't they struck me dead? Why haven't they struck me dead and they still made me their choice, the people's hero?
Yes, they made you their choice. I don't know why. Don't you know that it is an honor to be chosen to take care of the village?
Let them give this honor to another person. I don't need it too. I don't need it at all. I don't need it.
Ekene, it could happen to anybody.
To you? No, to you? Ebere, we are good people. We are good people. Tell me, why hasn't that rapey spirit raped you or raped Mama?
Let the spirit rape you. See how you're talking? Let it rape you. Ebere Mado. Are you trying to tell me that all the people that the spirit has been dealing with are bad people? Nah, mind how you talk.
Mama, see, in the history of this village, there are only 2 good people who have existed though. Yes!
Tell me.
Good. One is still existing and one is gone. Let me tell you who they are. The one that is gone is my father. The one who is still existing is my very self. Yes.
Biko. Just don't remind me of something I've been fighting for years to forget. Biko.
Mama, please don't remind me that I'm also hungry. They will come and get me food. Okay, come on, get me food. Loma, see how the morning sun is just, reflecting on you, just shining behind.
Ekene. Now wow, see the way you now talk. This city has changed you. It has done a lot for you. Hey!
It hasn't changed me. You see, this your body, needs somebody that can, take care of it. Also, this your super defense balloon of joy attack. Needs somebody that can, take care of it.
You want to take care of my body for me? How can that possibly happen? Because I don't get it.
Wow. I will. Wow. Talk and do. Smell it.
This is very sweet. It smells nice.
I know.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's the banner. All for you. See, let me tell you, this is small. This is not my better or my bestest. For you, I'll give you my best. Yes, I'll do that. You deserve much more. I'm telling you, because you have a super defense attack balloon of joy in you.
Wait, Ekene. I don't really understand. What happened to you at the city?
You see, I know because you've not been to the city before, so I don't blame you. When a boy, no, in the city they say it differently. When a guy gives a chick is girl. When a guy gives a chick this kind of gift, there's a way she says the thank you.
Hi, Ekene. I don't understand though. Is there any other way of saying thank you?
There's lots of ways though. You don't know how to say the thank you. Don't worry. I'll teach you how to say thank you in the butterfly way, the dog way, the monkey way, for pussy attack.
Ekene, I have never heard of such before.
I know.
Monkey, dog.
I know you have heard it before. I know. Don't worry, just come with me. Let me just show you how to. Let me show you.
Wait now, let me follow you gradually. Let me go in now, fully at the back.
Okay, come. Just come with me. I will show you the dog way, the monkey way, butterfly way, for pussy attack. Come with me, dear. Come.
Mama Ekene! Mama Ginika! Oh, Gini, this one that you're shouting in my compound, what is the matter? Ask this useless girl. Ask her what she was doing with Ekene. Ask her how she got herself impregnated by your loafer of a son. Ginika, what have you been doing with Ekene? Did he... Talk now! Wait, did he rape you? Was this how you were crying when you were doing it with him? He did it?
Yes, ma'am.
You're sure you're pregnant? This is not a problem. This is called nation building. Yes. Is this funny? But it's not funny. Nah. You. Straight. Nah, teacher. It is not a problem. We're okay. I can't believe you did it. Hey, my son is Ahua. Mama Ginika, you have to go now. Baba, we will take care of Ginika. You can go. Go, Ginika. You are coming inside. That's why something for you. Ahua. Go inside. Let me see Mama Ginika. Mama Ginika. Now I can you free.
Jesus, seeing you this morning is a good sign of a new day.
Ekene, every day will be good in Imodim if only you obey the voice of the gods.
My princess, forget the gods. Nobody is fair to me in this village.
How do you mean, Ekene?
Everybody wants me to do something for them, but they don't ask me what I want. Is that fair?
What do you want?
My princess, what I want is actually not far away from me. It's here, very close. But first,
mate, excuse us.
Okay. Quick now.
So tell me, what is it that you want?
My princess, swear first that you will not be angry with me.
Are you going to say something that will get me angry?
Maka, for what now? On your phone, about, you know, Michael Jackson. One Nika person cannot dance, you know, Michael Jackson. You know? But Princess.
Say something.
Princess. Man die once. Princess, I love you.
You love me?
I love you.
Of course, everybody in Nollywood loves their princess.
No, princess, you know, mature. You know, the kind of love I'm talking about is, you know, love between, you know, man and woman, spiritual, you know.
Ekene, you are like the proverbial pregnant woman who demanded crocodile eggs from her husband.
Hey.
So how do you think what you're asking is possible?
But what the village is asking me to do is worse than collecting crocodile eggs now. Princess, biko. I could say now talking consideration. You know? It's true now. Huh?
Go and get the princess.
Igwe.
My princess, the king demands that you come in immediately.
Okay.
Father, you sent for me.
Give us. What were you discussing with that loafer?
We were discussing an issue of mutual interest to Modim.
We don't need him anymore. The gods have taken care of the issue.
I pray it works.
It has already worked. Have you heard? He impregnated a girl just a month after his return.
I heard about it.
I forbid you from discussing with him again.
All right, Father.
Igwe! Igwe! Hey! Your Highness! Igwe! Igwe! Hey! Igwe! Igwe, this lady lying down before you, I just married her 3 months ago, Igwe. 3 months! Only last night, Igwe, the evil spirit came and took her away from me. Look at her, Igwe. Hey! Ewo!
Young man, I sympathize with you, but you are not alone in this. So many of us have suffered the same fate. My wife, the Lolo, was taken. Okonkwo's wife, and even Hakim's daughter. But nobody brought their corpses to the palace.
Hey! Igwe, this one is different. Igwe, this is different. A highest abomination of its strength has happened, Igwe. This lady lying down before you, she was pregnant, Igwe. Odime. Hey! How? Chimagapụta m
Nena. What is it? You look sick. What is it?
Mama, I feel sick. I feel pains all over my body.
You feel sick, pains over your body? Nena, tell me the truth. What have you done? Did you sleep with any man?
No, Mama, no.
Nena, you better speak the truth. This is a sign of pregnancy. Look into my eyes and tell me the truth. Who is he? You are not going to bring a bastard and disgrace to this family. Have I made myself clear? Who now? I need here.
It's a canoe. It's a canoe. He said it was dog. A monkey.
Ekene, that worthless and useless person. You slept with him. Hey! Nena has killed me. Oh. What kind of bad luck is this? Did you not know? Or were you not aware that he put your friend in a family way? That your friend that used to visit you. You didn't know?
Mama, he said it was dog and monkey.
I'm still talking, you're talking nonsense. Okay. You don't want to say the truth. I will take you to the Igwe. By that time you know yourself. Disgrace.
Yage lulube nyamwamo. Yage lulube nyamwamo. Nyamwamo lulube wanu cho lulube chogese. Lulube chogunu lulube chogose. Lulube nyamwam lulube. Ha! Hey! You can take her for burial now.
Hey!
The land has been cleansed.
Ezemo, I had assumed this evil was over.
I would like to ask the same question, Igwe.
Igwe, live forever.
What is it?
Igwe, there's an evil white fire in my house.
Fire that is evil and white.
Yes, Igwe. Bim na walk. Hey, that loafer, hopeless and idiot, that calls himself Ekene, has put my daughter in a family way.
Woman, your daughter knows that he is a hopeless loafer, yet she opened her legs for him.
No. Nayo Konkwa, that bastard deceived my daughter. He deceived my daughter and promised her that he's going to give her a dog. Promised her that he's going to give her a monkey and pussycat. Can you imagine that?
Oh, he promised to give her dog monkey and pussycat.
Yes, Igwe.
Hey, do we eat any of those in our land?
Jova.
All the animals. This your daughter is as foolish and hopeless as the boy.
There's nothing beautiful anymore in Umudim. Another great abomination has taken place, and you who is supposed to save us has impregnated all the beautiful women in this Umudim.
Ah! Ukano na secret atalk in personal. So they've told you. My princess, don't blame me. Don't blame me. See, since I came back from the city, all these girls in this village won't let me rest. But it's only you I adore. It's only you I love. It's only you I want.
But you know it's not possible.
Huh? Wait, so you want to treat me like a one-nicker, somebody that dances? Michael Jackson? No. Biko, don't say this. It's you I want, oh. It's you I want. Please, Biko, please, my princess, eh?
You know it's not possible. Because my father will not want to give out his daughter's hand in marriage to a loafer.
Loafer? So you now want to treat me like a loaf of bread? I know. They have affected you. All the wicked people in this village are against me. All you wicked people in this village are against me. All of you, you are against me. You're against me, but no problem. It's you I want to.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Why is it that you don't want to help Umudim?
Has Umudim helped me before? No, has Umudim helped me before? Umudim does not like me. Umudim hates me. Umudim flogged me. They denied me. They sent me away. Now they want me to risk my life for them. For what?
There is no risk to your life. All you need to do is to agree, and the gods will empower you to carry out the mission.
Ekene, you are a disgrace to the gods.
I know that this village doesn't know my qualities. They don't know my value. But I know for sure that the gods know my value. Why? I will ask you this question. Igwe, why did the gods choose me to fight evil for them? Thank you. Over to you.
How dare you talk to the king like that?
See, messenger.
God, excuse us.
Yes, Your Highness. Leave us. Fast.
What do you go about telling my daughter?
Igwe, can't turn to her side though, because anything I have with the princess is private, personal, because on her tongue separate. Thank you.
I ask you again. What have you been telling my daughter?
Igwe, you are one of those people who says I have low memory in this village. I cannot remember anything I've been saying with your daughter or discussing with your daughter.
If you don't tell me what you have been telling my daughter, I will call the guards to peel off your skin.
Igwe, all I can remember is that your daughter has been feeling me. Yes. And she has been pouring her heart to me, and I've been pouring my own to her. Thank you. Over and out. And back to you again, Igwe.
My daughter has been pouring her heart to you, and you have been pouring your heart to her.
What does that mean?
Pouring of hearts, heart pouring. Ichie. Thank you. Over to you, Igwe.
My daughter has been pouring her heart to you, and you have been pouring your heart to her. It's all right. Get out then. Get out!
Like a jazz.
Could you imagine? Very incoherent. Anyway, I will find out from my daughter.
Ginika, what is this now? Where's my food? Where's my food, Ginika? What's this now?
Stop shouting. It's irritating my ears.
Why would she delay my food? Is this the way you used to delay Papa's food? Ginika, where's my food?
Your father was a good man. He catered for his family and other people outside the family. You don't even do anything.
Forward march. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Halt. Halt. What's this? Gary? How about I told you I don't eat Gary on Wednesdays? How about I told you what happened to rice? What happened to fried rice? Jollof rice, coconut rice?
But there's no rice.
What do you mean there's no rice? Isn't there rice in the market? Doesn't your mother sell rice in the market?
Do they sell rice for free? Or you think they use manhood to buy rice? That seems to be the only asset you have on your body.
I'm separate too.
Nanga Bali is separate. Bali is privately, personally, limited, company-wise. Anyway,
Mama, you should be proud of me. Yes, you should be proud of me that I'm increasing the population of this family. You forget my value that Umudim is in my hands. Very soon you have children everywhere because of me.
With your mouth. Oh no, you can eat your plant all the children, little children everywhere, with your mouth.
Wait until I marry the princess, then you people will know. You will know.
Dreamer, keep dreaming. Yes, we are you. Why is your face like this? Always frowning. What is it?
You. Tomorrow, you are cooking spaghetti. Again, spaghetti. On Thursdays, spaghetti with chicken. You understand?
I thought you wanted rice.
Stop this thing.
Nena, so you knew Ekene was mine and you slept with him.
Biko, Mba, Ginika, please, not from you. Not from you, Biko. Organic. Everybody has already blamed me for this thing. Not from you. I won't give you that right. And the friend that Ekene is just your own.
Yes, he met me here first, before you. Yeah, the very first day he returned from the city.
Yes. It could have been me, oh. You only got there before. You got there first. You got there about it. And please do not forget that we are all friends before we went to the city. We were friends, yes, we were.
You see, your own mother that accused you. Yes. He first gave me cat and dog before you. Yes! Huh? Yes!
And so what? Ginika. And so what? Did you tell me?
Why will I tell you?
Yes, let me finish. Did you tell me? Listen, if you don't know, let me remind you, or rather tell you, we are both foolish victims of a Kenes city life. We are foolish.
I'm foolish. Did you call me foolish?
My friend, why? Because...
You say foolish. Stop. You say foolish. Stop it, both of you. Is it not bad enough that you're the ones that have put me in this condition? But Mama, I came here first. But it doesn't matter who got here first. Let me tell you people, if you want to fight, give each other upper court, not lower court. So you don't hurt my babies. Let me even check the babies. Okay, they are cool. Go inside. Okay. See you. If you're okay. Go and
You got here first.
Pick up the clothes there. Now when I come home, do you okay?
You put girls in the family where without a means of livelihood. You have also refused to carry out the mandate of the gods and save our women from dying. And you are here telling me that you have a soft spot for my daughter. You make me want to vomit.
Igwe, you cannot vomit here in private. No, it's better that you move with this your cockroach guard to the village square. Then you vomit there, so everybody in the village can see the fine food you have been eating in this your palace.
Shut up your mouth before the gods strike you dead.
Igwe, you see why the gods are wiser than you? You see why the gods are by far wiser than you? You see? Igwe, you want the gods to strike dead somebody they've chosen to fight evil for them? It's not possible now. They can't fit
They can't fit it. They can't fit in things. Highly impossible. It's impossible, Igwe.
Let me warn you for the last time. And I'm doing this for the sake of the gods.
Thank you.
Any other day you stop my daughter on her way, this Umudim will be too hot for you. You are already foolish enough. Your refusal has cost this land a lot of havoc and abomination. Go and examine your life and be reasonable for once. Now get out.
Huh?
Leave my presence.
Okay. Anyway, I'm going to leave. Fast forward and slow. I'm not in the mood for pussy business now.
Why you thought I'm in the mood, eh? See, the one you ate has choked me. It is running my stomach.
That's your problem.
But they're involved now.
That's my own
So
problem.
what do we do?
That's our problem.
Ekene!
What now?
I am pregnant. Huh? I said I am pregnant.
Are you going to be the first, second, or sixth in this village?
Or you now woman now, See, Ekene, you're very lucky that I want to run out from this village. All I need from you, just give me money so that I'll go to Onitsha. I'll meet somebody there that will help me out. I want to sell that baby.
Tampa. Sell out?
Yes, I want to sell the baby.
Impossible, impossible, never can be. Sell out my baby.
See, Ekene, let me tell you something. I don't want to be part of those your village assembly pregnant girls. I'm only in Eku. I need this money from you. Just go and find this money. Anyhow, give me the money, please. I want to go. Pick up what you're doing. I got to with you.
Nka Tom Laska Jacob. Tampa. Sell out my baby. Impossible never can be. Come on, let me tell you. See, you can't do it though. For what?
Hey, we now have an armed robber inside this house. All the people that took my shot. Neka, come out. Neka, where's my money? I'm looking for my money. Who took my money?
Me, I'm looking for my money too. Maybe you asking Nena.
Oh, okay. Now there's a ghost in this house. Oh. And I assume it is that ghost that took the money.
What kind of nonsense is this? By the way, where's Ekene?
He went out. My mother's money.
You people don't know where Ekene went to, yet you're supposed to. Yeah, Ekene, where's my money? Where's my money?
Why don't you ask your money where I am?
Look at this boy,
Udo doesn't live here now.
We have come for something money cannot buy. We have come to plead with Ekene to save the souls of Umudi.
Yes. Please, Ekene, please, have compassion on us. We have suffered enough in the hands of this evil spirit. Please, Ekene, please.
You people don't have shame. You don't have shame. You are coming to the house of somebody you call loafer. Somebody called stupid. Somebody called useless.
Forgive and forget, please.
Ekene, you have to understand that the voice of the people is the voice of the gods.
My own voice is also the voice of the gods because the gods are my guys. Yes, they're my guys. Why are you begging me? When I begged you for gin, one bottle of gin, did you give me? You said I'm a loafer.
Igwe, we the women of Umudim, all we need is your consent for peace to reign in Umudim again.
Has everybody in this kingdom eaten the seed of madness? Do you know what you're asking me to do?
What we are asking you to do is to make a sacrifice. Just take a decision and save your kingdom, Igwe.
And I must lose my daughter before the kingdom is saved.
Igwe, you are not going to lose her. She will be here with us.
It is worse than losing her. The gods must think again. The gods are not mad. I know that food is fake. No God spoke to him.
Igwe, we know better. We witnessed the presence of the monster. He was about taking another woman, but couldn't because of the presence of Ekene. Igwe, what other proof do we need? What other proof do we need?
I want the gods to stand before him and tell me to my face. And that will be the day man will talk back to the gods.
Think about it. Igwe, there is no sacrifice too much for you to pay for your kingdom.
I cannot sacrifice like a fool. Are you not aware that he has impregnated almost every girl in this kingdom? Including you, the yellow woman. Did he not impregnate your daughter? Did you come here crying?
Igwe, please. Igwe, please, we are begging.
Will you get out of my sight?
Igwe, please.
Look at him. Will you get out before me? Let nobody mention this to me anymore. What impudence!
Has the gods failed? Is it that the gods of Umudim is no longer active? Can't they possibly make this young man change his mind? Everything rests on the shoulder of them. Ebere, man, what's happening to you? I don't know. Man,
Agameje. Anuzamona nyi welo so bia fumanya ni iya bagaje no ba ni ike. Imono na bubuzo onye ngeegbu o ma bulu onye njeta akwa huru. Imono muna je onye mu ngeegbu o ma bulu onye mu nge akwa huru. Ewu. Anuzamona nyi welo so bia fumanya. Iye je no ba ni ike.
We thought that the boy is just an idiot. But he is not only an idiot, but also a mad boy. Forever thinking of asking for the princess's hands in marriage.
Ugumba.
Hey!
Every day there's a new wonder in this land.
Listen, what baffles me most is that the Ezemo even accepted it wholeheartedly. Now, the question is, does it mean that the gods are crazy and foolish like him?
The gods must have their reason and purpose for choosing him.
I know it. I know that no one questions the gods. But I tell you, that boy has gone beyond bounds. That is my concern.
I am still telling you, the gods must have their reason.
What? Now tell me, does it mean that you too has gone mad?
Ogumba, the gods must be crazy for choosing him. Yes. Yeah, it's all right. They must be crazy for choosing him.
Listen to me. It is not supposed to be.
Buhari
Ekene, come out! Come out! Because you are going to wrestle with the spirits. You are the challenger of the gods! Come out!
Ezemo, please. Before you say I've insulted you, you're somehow welcome here, but somehow you're not welcome. Why will you come to our compound without permission and then you come here shouting as if your meal of gari or apple lacks meat? We don't have meat here. What we have is crayfish, and you're not even invited to eat with us.
He who says that the ways of the old are foolish has included his forefathers. That is exactly what you have been doing. Yes, come, because you are highly favored by the gods. Come and challenge the spirits. Or do you want to wrestle with the gods?
Every time I do the will of the gods. But this time around, the gods have to do my own will. Or if they want me to do their will, it has to be on one condition.
Speak. Speak! Because you are highly favored in the sight of the gods.
Thank you. Even if I'm favored in the nose of the gods, I will say my condition. My condition is that I will do what they want me to do. I will confront the rapist spirit on the condition that I marry the princess. Hi! Everybody can do it.
What did I hear you say?
What you heard me say is that I will only confront that rapist spirit on the condition that I marry the princess. Thank you.
Ekene, are you aware that the prince of Oguma Kingdom is about wedding the princess?
And the gods are aware that I was on my own before they chose me to go and confront that bad rapist spirit. Aren't they the gods? Can't they fight the spirits themselves? Or are they afraid of the spirits? Hey! Hey!
Ekene, let's go.
So you go and kill me and tell everybody the gods have killed me, eh?
No. I am Ezemo. Ezemo is not a killer.
Ezemo is the hired killer for the gods.
I am the mouthpiece of the gods.
You are the hired killer for the gods.
I'm the mouthpiece of the gods.
You are the messenger and also hired killer for the gods. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Ekene, stop challenging the gods. Come with me.
Okay, if you want me to go anywhere with you, swear that if anything happens to me or I die, you too, you will die.
Hey! Come with me.
I am not. Swear that nothing will happen to me.
I will not kill you. Come with me.
Intermarriage between the royal palace of Umudim and that of Okuma has been on for generations, and we believe it will continue for generations.
Imana okwu ka eji akọ agbọ afọ agba amala agbọ nwa na adị ka onye mụrụ ya Igirigi. Ogiriga. Ezembo. Have you come to give a spiritual touch to the introduction of my daughter?
Igwe, the toad does not run in the afternoon in vain. Listen, Ekene here has something to say.
What? Ezemo, what has Ekene got to say? Eh? So you came in here to stop this important ceremony just because of the request of this hopeless loafer? And you are even saying it before our important in-laws. Eh? Mbanu.
It was a most difficult decision for me. And don't forget that this man here has the hope of Umudim on his shoulder. Speak.
Igwe, chiefs, and these people who will not get what they want. Yes. Before I pursue or fight that evil spirit raping all your women and killing them, and I know we'll soon kill all of you. Yes. Before I do it, you see this princess here? They marry her first.
Ekene can never happen. Ekene, no way.
Don't scratch that your mouth.
Alligator kiss that your teeth.
Ezemo, what is the meaning of this?
Igwe, the gods are wise.
Thank you.
Yes, and they make their decision meticulously.
Thank you.
Hey, in this matter, Ezemo, the veracity of the gods are in doubt. Hey!
You are wasting time, oh.
No! This loafer cannot marry my daughter. Tell the ghost this loafer cannot marry my daughter. Anejo Sanuti.
Anejo Sanuti.
Shut up.
On my way.
Why have you chosen to interfere with my mission?
It's because you are the evil spirit raping all our women and killing them. Yes, and if these people make mistake and do the right thing now, by allowing me marry the princess, I will destroy you final. Yes.
You cannot destroy me.
You say?
Okay, you cannot destroy me.
What's it?
Jero. Papa,
so you are the evil rapist spirit, coming down here to enjoy all our women in the name of rape. Papa, but why now? You are dead now. You are dead.
I'm innocent. Umudim will kill me for a crime I did not commit.
I know you are innocent because there's no how a fine man like you will rape Ezemo's ugly fat wife. I know. It's not possible. I know.
You are my only witness. That's why they cast a spell on you and turn their brain with their evil powers.
So my brain is turned.
I want them to pay for their wickedness. Until you become the king of Umudim, I will not stop.
Hey!
Until Ekene, my son, becomes the king of Umudim, I will not stop.
Papa, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, sir. Crown King, thank you. You people can go. Go. Your village is far. Go. Before armed robbers will attack you people. Go. Go. Hey, Crown King. Hey. Ezemo, you have heard, oh. Yes, Crown King. Let me take my entitlement. Crown King. I'm taking this for this my entitlement. Crown King. You are serious. You know what to do. Crown King.
was a day to me.